Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email on Gmail using a Mac computer 2025. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to Gmail. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we see Compose. Click on this. Increase the size of the email window. And now let's select the recipient. In this tutorial, we will be sending all the emails to admin@computersciencevideos.com. Choose a subject, which will be, this is a trial email. Go within the email and now type Dear Admin, comma, space, new line. I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow for autofill, full stop, new line. This is a trial email. Kind regards, CSV. Now let's go to send, message sent, go to view message, and we can see that the email from myself to the admin has been sent. This is a trial email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. This is a trial email, kind regards, CSV. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.